In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-column layout in KadenceWP with content in the middle and sidebars on either side. Actual sidebars, not just blocks placed in a column. The way we're going to get this done is to use a Kadance row block with 3 columns and render sidebars using shortcodes on either side. But in order to do that, we need to make those shortcodes. Fortunately, I've made a plugin which you can download from the link in the description. Let me show you what's in there. It's a very simple plugin. This right here renders sidebar 1. So we start an output buffer, we get the sidebar, and we return it. And then we create a shortcode called sidebar-1. And then we do the same thing for sidebar-2. And that's it. Now, we want to create this template for multiple pages, so we're going to use Kadance elements. And you can find those under Appearance. And if you go to Kadance, you'll see Hooked Elements is right here, and I have mine turned on. And so I have an Elements menu right here. So let's make one. I'll add new element. It's going to be a template, and we'll call it 3-column layout. Then the first thing we're going to do is add a row using the Kadance row. And there are several 3-column options here. I'm going to choose the one with the widest sidebars. So in the left column, we're going to put in a shortcode. And in the right sidebar, we're going to put in another one. And there we go. Now, we're going to put this on pages, all pages, but to get content in here, we want to set up the preview settings. So this is just going to choose what page we want to use as our model while we're building this. So we're going to choose that one. And then in the center, we're going to use the dynamic HTML block from Kadance. And over here, we're going to choose current post content. And there's our content. Now, we haven't said yet where we want this to display. So we're going to replace single post content on single pages. So we'll hit publish. And then, so here's our sample page before I've reloaded with the new template. So let's reload. And there we have a sidebar here and a sidebar here and a column in the middle. Now, obviously, I didn't do very much styling or design, but that's relatively easy once this is done. And you can even do it right in the Elements tool. But that's all there is to it, to make a 3-column layout in Kadance.